Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore the basics of investing, backed by the insights of AI technology. Investing is an essential tool for growing wealth and achieving financial goals. With the help of artificial intelligence, we'll demystify the world of investing and provide you with valuable insights to make informed investment decisions. So, let's get started. Before diving into the world of investing, it's crucial to understand the fundamental concepts. We'll cover topics such as risk and return, asset classes, diversification, and the power of compounding. AI can analyze vast amounts of data to provide insights into historical performance, risk profiles, and potential returns of various investment options. Identifying investment goals. Setting clear investment goals is essential. Whether it's saving for retirement, buying a home, or funding a child's education, defining your objectives helps guide your investment strategy. AI can assist in assessing your risk tolerance, time horizon, and financial situation to recommend suitable investment approaches aligned with your goals. It helps you prioritize your financial decisions and allocate your resources effectively. AI technology can play a valuable role in this process by assessing your risk tolerance, time horizon, and financial situation. By analyzing various factors, such as your age, income, expenses, and investment preferences, AI algorithms can provide personalized recommendations for suitable investment approaches. This enables you to align your investments with your specific goals and make informed decisions that are in line with your risk profile and desired outcomes. By leveraging AI's capabilities, you can enhance the precision and accuracy of your investment strategy, increasing your chances of achieving your financial goals. Exploring different investment options. There are various investment options to consider, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and more. We'll explore the characteristics of each asset class, their potential risks and returns, and how AI can provide insights to make informed investment choices. Understanding the characteristics of each asset class is crucial for making informed investment choices. Stocks represent ownership in a company and offer the potential for capital appreciation and dividends, but they come with market volatility. Bonds, on the other hand, are fixed income securities that provide regular interest payments and return of principal at maturity, typically with lower risk compared to stocks. Mutual funds pool investments from multiple investors to diversify across a portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets, offering convenience and professional management. Real estate investments can include residential or commercial properties, providing the potential for rental income and property value appreciation. AI can analyze historical data, market trends, and financial indicators to provide insights into the risks and potential returns of different asset classes, assisting investors in making well-informed decisions that align with their risk tolerance and investment goals. By leveraging AI's capabilities, investors can gain a deeper understanding of the characteristics and dynamics of various investment options, enabling them to build a diversified portfolio tailored to their specific needs. Portfolio diversification. Diversification is key to managing risk in your investment portfolio. We'll discuss the importance of spreading your investments across different asset classes and geographic regions. AI algorithms can analyze correlations and historical data to optimize your portfolio allocation and identify opportunities for diversification. By diversifying, you can reduce the impact of any single investment's performance on your overall portfolio. It helps mitigate the risk of substantial losses in case a particular asset class or region underperforms. AI algorithms can play a valuable role in optimizing portfolio allocation by analyzing correlations and historical data. By identifying assets that have a low correlation with each other, AI can suggest investment opportunities that have the potential to reduce portfolio volatility and increase potential returns. Assessing risk and reward. Understanding the relationship between risk and reward is vital in investing. We'll discuss different risk metrics, such as standard deviation and beta, and how AI technology can provide risk assessments and recommendations based on historical data and market trends. Different risk metrics, such as standard deviation and beta, help investors assess the volatility and sensitivity of an investment to market movements. Standard deviation measures the historical volatility of an investment, while beta quantifies its correlation to the broader market. AI technology can provide valuable risk assessments by analyzing vast amounts of historical data and market trends. By leveraging AI algorithms, investors can gain insights into the risk profiles of various investments and receive recommendations that align with their risk tolerance. This enables investors to make more informed decisions, optimize their risk-return trade-off, and build a well-balanced investment portfolio. By harnessing the power of AI, investors can navigate the complexities of risk assessment more effectively and enhance their investment decision-making process. Investing strategies and tools. We'll explore popular investment strategies, such as value investing, growth investing, and dollar-cost averaging. Additionally, we'll discuss the role of AI-powered investment tools and platforms, which offer automated portfolio management, robo-advisory services, and personalized investment recommendations. There you have it, the basics of investing, according to AI technology. By understanding key investment concepts, setting goals, exploring different options, diversifying your portfolio, and utilizing AI-driven insights, you can make informed investment decisions and work towards achieving your financial objectives. Remember to conduct thorough research, consult with financial professionals, and stay updated with market trends. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tips on investing and personal finance. Until next time, happy investing!